The new Inventory Aging Report in AX 2012-R3 works independently of inventory valuation methods such as FIFO or standard cost. This report is also available with earlier releases of AX 2012 if you have CU7 or later installed. With this report, you have the flexibility of defining aging buckets in the preferred intervals, and the report results do not distinguish between physical or financial inventory. The aging in the report, which consists of the values and quantities being placed in columns based on how old the inventory is, computes by using a FIFO algorithm on physical inventory movements. The values are expressed in monetary amounts, are obtained by multiplying the quantity on hand in a given period with the current average unit cost as of the reporting date. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we are assuming a single item through a single site and warehouse. The top half represents receipts, and the bottom half of this image represents the issues. I've broken it down into 4 one-month periods: January, February, March, and April. The report results are displayed at the bottom of this particular graphic. So, in January, with the PO for 10 at a price of 100 each and a sale for 5, the on-hand inventory is 5 and the average value of 100 for a total value of 500 in the month. Then, in February, there's another PO for 10 at a price of 100. Next, there is a sale for a total of 13, 1 for 10 and 1 for 3. Here you can see that at the end of the month, there is an on-hand value of 2. With the average calculated, this brings the value to 200. When we look at March, the PO is for $10 is at the price of $75. Only 2 units are sold this month, so the on-hand quantity is 10 and the value is $750. Now, depending on the timing of when you run this report in relationship with the inventory close, you may receive different results. In my example, I'm assuming that the report is run after the inventory close, so the settlements were made for the 2 sold items at the price of 100. In our last period for April, another PO is received for $10 at a price of 100 and 5 are sold. This means that we have 15 on hand and the average is $87.50, so the total value is $1,312.50. Let's switch over to AX and I'll show you how to run this report in our next lesson.